Mythology is something that I have always been interested in. I have always been struggling to memorize everything, but with no success. Therefore, I wanted to turn the process of learning into something enjoyable, which will simplify such an ever-expanding topic.
My name is Rania Zouganeli and I am studying Art and Technology at Saxion University.
I created a multifunctional interactive product named Philomathia. Philomathia is a Greek word meaning the love of learning, which I believe is an essential trait to have.
Using conductive paint, it brings objects such as this painting in life.
After creating my interface, I attached my board behind the canvas with cold soldering in order to connect the gods with the electrodes of the touchboard. I have always been passionate about painting, but after finding out about conductive paint, the integration of conductive paint into my art is just life-changing for me because I can take my paintings into a different level.
Athena, goddess of wisdom, courage, inspiration, civilization, love, and justice.